Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the demo. So this task was related to something. I'll give you the overview shortly. So we have some dynamic controls. We have some dynamic drop downs. The listing available for line 1, line 2, line 3, L line, E line, and items. So it was required that if someone selects any item, so he has to enter at least one entry in the yellow cell. So I have added some conditional formatting. So this red showing that we need some entry in here. So for example, if I select staff in here, so it will all of these will turn red. So now you need to select at least one of these. If you will not submit anything, and if you will try to pull the get info box, so what get info box will do, it will give you the values. If the selection is already available, it will give you the results related to that. So let me try and click this get info box with only selection with the items and no selection in the lines. So this is going to give me an alert. So missing field alert is there that you have to select at least one item in it. So what I'll do, I'll select at least one item out of it, and if I and I'll try to get info box. So what it will do, it will check in the database if any of the selection is available in these two, like the current selection, which is not available. So it is giving me the headings only and empty fields. So I can always enter the values in here. So what I'll do, I'll enter the value like input one, input two, anything, and so this is it. So let me put input 3 maybe in here. Okay, so once I'll submit it, what it will do, it is going to go to the database, and currently you can see we have the last entry on row 11, and we have made a new selection because it's already been decided. So now I'll select the submit data. What this will do, this is going to update the all the selections and transfer the data right in here on the row number 12, which you can see, and it will add the timestamp at which the data has been submitted and the email address of the user. So this will allow you to navigate it exactly. So this is an additional thing from my side, so you can easily understand, okay, which user has entered all of these information in here, and this is all back on the background. So let me do one more time. Okay, so and then what it did, it cleared all the fields as well. So now you can start from the beginning. So what I'll do, I'll go back here and I'll see, okay, well, I have made staff and damage percent. Let me try and select both of these again. So I'll select staff here, and I'll select damage percentage in here, and I'll click on the get info box. So what this is going to do, it's going to check these two criteria, and oh, it will find, okay, yeah, we have already this setup and the values are already there in it. So if you will try to submit the data again, what it will do, it will let you, it won't let you, it will tell you that, okay, the duplicate data error, the data is already available with against these selections, and the data is already available on this on the database. But yes, if you want to make any changes in it, yes, you can do that, but you cannot input the data against these two fields. You can make the changes in it, but it's not going to submit the data because you cannot add the data against these two selections. So what I'll do, I'll make another selection in here, maybe the crit damage, and then I'll submit the data. This time it's going to create a new criteria, and it's going to submit because it has already checked that yes, this selection is not available previously in the database. So this is how it's going to work. Similarly, I have added the selection, like if you will select something like this, crit damage in here, maybe in here, and you will try to get the info box. It is giving you, oh, there is a missing field in the item. Please enter in that and then try to pull the get info box. Otherwise, you can't see this, and you can't see this. And as soon as these are empty, you will not be able to input the data in here. So what I'll select the accessory in here, and I'll try to submit the data with empty fields in. So it will again let you know, okay, the if fields are empty, you cannot submit the data when there is no field selected. So again, so this is a sort of foolproof thing from my side. So this is giving you all the four errors, one, two, three, four. If any of the one field is missing, it will give you, okay, one field is missing. So I'll ask for the info box first. It will find, okay, yeah, I have. Let me enter 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 in here. and if I'll try to submit the data, it's going to give me three errors. So build is missing,